job. Hold it.
Right here. Yeah. Good morning, everyone. Been a bit of a rough start, but we're gonna turn it around. It's Friday, and
Friday's the best day of the week.
we're gonna head to the mall and do Sebastian's 3rd birthday pictures. Don't pick your nose. Don't pick your nose. Don't pick your nose. Stop picking your nose. Do you need a tissue? Okay. We're gonna do some brother shots too. So hopefully it'll all go smoothly, right?
Circle, 1, 2. Good job. 1, 2. All right.
So as you saw, we did our photo shoot today. Got some cute stuff. In the beginning, Jax was blinking a lot, but luckily we were able to work it out so that I've got copies of the same poses where his eyes are open and maybe Sebastian's cuter in the other one, and I can Photoshop and get their heads on the right bodies to make the perfect picture. Sebastian, I need you to get your diaper stuff. I need you to go get your diaper stuff, okay? So now what we're doing is we just got home from the mall and had a quick lunch. Running a little bit behind. We need to get nap started, but we have to change his diaper. Okay, get your wipes in your diaper, please. Anything you can do to delay. Okay, hurry up, please, sweetie. So yeah, after nap, we're going to head to the grocery store and order some platters for his party, and then we're gonna do Burger Friday. I couldn't see the babies, and then I saw one and it didn't look alive from the angle. It's not alive. Oh gosh, it was so beautiful. Oh, our sweet baby. There were 3, and then there was 2, and I've only seen 1 recently. Oh gosh, what do you even do with it? Oh, sweet body. Alright, so we've got some presents from Aunt Susan.
Yeah, and I go open right now.
First of all, Nap Boppy needs to go away.
Okay,
alright.
let's read the card.
I'm gonna open some early. That's fun to make it spread out.
Happy birthday. 1, 2, 3, A, B, C. You're learning all your ABCs, your colors, shapes, and one, 2, 3s. You're getting smarter, stronger, bolder. Look out, world. You're 1 year older. Sebastian, have a wonderful birthday. Happy 3rd birthday. Love, Susan.
Aww.
Now are you ready to open the present?
Yeah. Alright, which one are you gonna do first?
This one. Great idea. Go from top to bottom.
You wanna find like the little slot.
Yeah, now you can finish. What idea looks like a book. Begin close. What do you think it'll be? Just look at it and then you can pull it out of the wrapper. Okay, there you go. Now you can take it out. Ta-da! Ooh, you got this with a nursery rhyme. That's so cool. I did this one. I hope you start. Oh, you got started. Good job. Good job. You started it.
I know that one.
Activity flashcards.
Those are fun.
Where to write your letters.
So cool for you to do. Fun.
Ooh.
It's not taken out yet.
Look at all these. Aren't you excited?
Very cool.
Now let's open into the next present. Use them all started? Oh,
what do you think, Daisy? You can
he's pretty good. He's pretty good starting it. Ooh, nice comfy clothes.
You have to put the shirts making big because they're so tiny, but we can always wear them next year.
Choo-choo. Beep, beep.
Oh, we kept it on the That's cute. And sometimes the t-shirt doesn't matter if they're not big. So we'll just try it out here. A little bit, yeah.
Good job. You didn't know what started it. Oh, that's a book.
Yeah, that's so funny when I'm like trying to get it. We always get in the book, don't we? We gotta
Try out a new book today.
Oh, that one looks good.
An interactive alphabet
Can you
book.
feel it?
You have to trace the letters with your finger.
He's like, I want to just rip open paper. So I'm
Now
gonna do
you're
that until it's all
excellent.
done.
Oh, okay, now go ahead. Yeah, hold it still while you rip it. There you go. Yeah, I'll help you get it off.
Oh, you got an activity book?
Pen control tracing. It'll help you learn to
Try
trace.
the book that you can color in. It comes with a pen,
Yeah,
maybe.
it'll help you trace
Get a
trace shape. Yeah.
Cool. Right, one more.
This is the one that you were excited for. Need some help starting this one?
Flip it over.
Roll
I
it
think
in.
that I need
There you go.
to
Now it's ready. You
You got two books with markers.
search and
Oh,
find.
we can bring these when we go out to eat.
That's so cool.
Yeah,
Find colorful things.
we go out to go to Friday.
So what do you want to say to Aunt Susan for all these wonderful presents?
And thank you.
Thank you. Which ones do you like? Do you like them all? All these fun books?
And that one, and this one.
This looks really fun.
With
So
my
cozy.
clothes.
Clothes. You like cozy clothes, don't you? Look at all these stories we get to read.
I love it when Susan gets me all the comfy.
Yeah,
comfy
Susan and Carol.
pajamas and sweatpants.
Carol says she sent you a box too, so in a couple days you'll have another one to open, okay? And you say thank you, Susan.
Thank you, Hogan.
I love you.
Love you.
Thank you.
Wipe my kiss off. You can do it.
You can do it.
You can do it.
We're motivating you.
You can do it.
You can do it, practice. Just watch out for falling baby. Look, Mommy. Yeah.
You're doing great.
Really fast.
Look at you.
I did really fast.
You're being really, really brave. Now you sit on your bottom and you slide. Just sit on your bottom and slide down. Whoa, so fast. Flat. Guys, we are wrapping up our Friday. So we made it through our photo session pretty well. I have not edited the pictures yet. If I do get them edited tonight, then I'll put them here at the end of the video so you can see. The lady was super nice, and I let her know that usually what I do is I Photoshop eyes from Jack's heads. I like mix and match things because he really blinks and his eyes water, and I don't always get a lot of good pictures of him, so she was really nice about giving me duplicates of poses where their faces might look good on one and not the other, and she managed to figure out a way to do that in their system. So basically I had a business order this time, but I had a lot of good coupons, so the whole thing only cost me $30. I'm also a member there, so I don't have to pay for a lot of the fees, and got some extra coupons. Well, he's a little bitey. I wouldn't stick your hand in. So yeah, so Ziggy was with my husband downstairs while we were at the mall doing that, but after that he napped with us, and then we had to go out right away to do our burger nights. We went to a place at a playground nearby, so we got to play, and then on the way home we stopped at Lidl and got some bakery treats and chocolates and stuff. And now, unfortunately, he's back in his crate. We had him out for a while playing with him and having his dinner, but not too long, so I feel really bad. What do you need to say, my love?
I just want a fly down.
Yeah, the playground. Sebastian really liked walking up this ramp and sliding down. Anyway, I'm tired and don't feel like talking, so you know what, I'm just gonna say goodnight. Thank you, Susan, for sending those presents. It was really fun for him to get to open them up early, and he did use one of the books at dinner. And I guess that's all I have to say. Good night, guys. We'll see you tomorrow. We are going to a birthday party at lunchtime, and it's always tough to film those because I can't get anybody else's children's faces. So if I can get an angle, you'll see some of it, but otherwise you might just see some glimpses of cake and food and stuff. So anyway, see you tomorrow. Bye. Hey guys, future Stephanie here. So Sebastian did not go to sleep till 11 with lots of screaming fits, and it was so bad. So all I did was edit 4 of the photos, so just one little look, Sebastian in his hand-knit sweater. So I'll be showing you those right now, and hopefully this weekend I can get the rest of them done, but I guess it's not really a rush because it's not like a Christmas card season or anything. But anyway, yeah, here we go. Example of a photo that I just edited. I like to color correct because I find their pictures to be a little bit yellow for my taste, and then I like to nitpick a lot. So here is my finished product. This is what they gave me. So what I did is I removed that hair. I decided to remove the shoe. I tried cleaning it, but I just didn't want it there at all. I brightened up his face. He blinks a lot and he gets kind of red puffy eyes from the flash, so I cleaned that up and just color corrected a little bit. Took some smudges off their baseboard and finished product.